2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, child safety locks, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.